All right, guys, I want to show you how to get all this for just $1. Yes, you heard me right, $1. Now, let me break it down for you guys. This is $1 in couponers math. So people be in the comments like, I spend more than that. They expect to go to the store and spend only $1 out of pocket. Guys, this is couponers math. Couponers math is if you spend $20 and you get back $15 in store credit, guys, to me, that means I only paid $5. Now, to you, if you spend $20 out of pocket, get back $15, you're probably looking at, I spent $20. That is regular math, not couponers math, guys. So if you do not have the money to spend and you think you're only spending $1 or you're gonna get back, $15 in cash, no. So if you don't have the $20 to spend, guys, do not spend it. Start off small and do small transactions. This deal is going to be a smaller transaction broken up into multiple transactions. So guys, it's going to work if you have the spin booster. So if you don't have the spin booster, it's still a pretty good deal, but if you do, it's going to be an awesome deal. So the first transaction, guys, was going to be on the Nivea and the 2 Colgates. As my spin boosters, if you spend $20, you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So as my total comes to $20 with the 2 Nivea and the 2 Colgate. There's no Nivea coupons, but there is a $4 off of 2 coupon for the Colgate. So guys, my total's gonna be $16 for that out of pocket. I think I was gonna get back $10 in points and $5 in the register reward. So guys, the next thing we're gonna transaction over to, so we're gonna go ahead and buy 2 more of the Nivea. As that's number total of $10, we're gonna use the $10 in points that we just got. We're gonna cover that and we're gonna get back $5. Now guys, remember we still have that $5 register reward from the Colgate. So guys, the next transaction is going to be on the Scott's toilet paper. It's $5, and then on the paper towels it's $5. It's buy one get one 50% off. There's a $1 off coupon attached to the tissue, but not to the paper towels. And then guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these tied down. Just make sure you scan it. This one attaches, so make sure you scan it before you get it. Guys, it's priced at $5.49. There is a $3.05 off coupon that's attached to this, guys. So your second transaction is technically gonna come up to about $9.94. If you don't wanna spend anything out of pocket, because you can only use up to $4 in Walgreens points, it's not quite at the $5 mark. So you wanna go ahead and grab like a candy or something. It's gonna be just a little over $10. You'll go ahead and use $5 in points and then use the $5 register reward. So guys, all right guys, so Nivea is on sale for $5 and it's also on promotion, guys. If you buy 2 or more, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash. On account this is a buy deal, which means you're buying 2. You're able to use any Walgreens cash that you already have or register rewards. But guys, grabbing 2 of them, so I'm gonna get to $10. There's no coupons or anything, so you're gonna pay $10 out of pocket, but you're gonna get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So it's not gonna print off like a register reward, it's gonna go to your account. So you should see it on the bottom of your receipt. All right guys, so next go ahead and grab 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. It's priced at $5. Now you wanna make sure you grab the ones at $5 because the ones at $4.50 are not attaching, but there is a $4 off 2 coupon. So 2's gonna bring your total to $10. You're gonna use the $4 off coupon, knocking it down to $6. But you're gonna get back $5, guys. All right guys, as you can see, the first transaction went perfect. That point coupon for $20, that is that $5 spin booster. Now guys, I did have a $5 register reward that was expiring that I used, so you're not gonna have that coupon unless you have registered rewards that you're trying to use. And the $4 off coupon is for the Colgate. So guys, my subtotal was $11 after, but remember, if you don't have the $5 register rewards, your total is gonna be $16. And then guys, my tax was only 41 cents, so $16. But guys, as you can see, we earned this visit $10, $5 for the points and $5 for the Nivea. And then guys, we got the register reward that printed off for the Colgate. All right guys, so here's transaction number 2. As you can see, I only got the 2 Nivea as the subtotal was $10. 83 cents was the taxes. So I redeemed that $10 in Walgreens cash as I spent 83 cents, which is literally, like I said, just the taxes out of pocket. And then guys, you can see I earned back $5 this visit. Now don't forget, I still have that $5 printed off register reward that we have not used yet from the Colgate. All right guys, so next, that $5 off coupon, that is for the register reward from the Colgate. The $3.05 off coupon is the digital one for the Tide, and the $1 off is for the Scott's toilet paper. Now guys, my total ended up coming up to like $13.49. So after all coupons, it took it down to $4.44. But if you want us to get it cheaper, I would suggest throwing in like a dime that's like 99 cents or grabbing 3 of the caramel candies, because it'll take your total over the $4.44, so you can use the $5. So guys, I end up spending 81 cents out of pocket. That's the 44 cents that was left over, because I could only use 4 and 5. You can't use anything in between. And then guys, the tax. So pretty much guys, the first transaction was my bigger out of pocket. I paid $16, but for every additional transaction, guys, it was free. I literally only paid the taxes. So the taxes are going to be different in your state. It'll affect your outcome, but guys, you should only be paying the taxes for each transaction as long as the last one you get up to $5, and then you'll pay whatever the taxes is for that transaction.